Okay, let's start with question number 1. We're going to invest $100 for 1 year with a nominal rate of 24%. Now we're going to look at a whole bunch of different kinds of compounding. So starting with M. M is how many times per year we compound. For annually, this is 1. For semi-annually, this is 2. What I would like you to do is keep on pausing this video and fill things out. So fill out quarterly and monthly now. Okay, hopefully you paused and came up with 4 quarters per year or 12 months per year. Now I'm going to write in the nominal rate. Annual means J1 equals 24%. Semi-annual, J2 equals 24%. Pause. Hopefully you have written in J4 equals 24% and J12 equals 24%. For the periodic rate, what we do is we divide it. So remember, I'm going to write up here, I equals Jm over M. So if M is 1, we're just dividing by 1. That makes this really easy. Semi-annual, we're going to divide it by 2. So 24 divided by 2 is 12%. You guys try it. Pause. Hopefully you have I equals 6%, that's 24 over 4, and I equals 2%, or 24 divided by 12. How many periods are in a year? Well, how many years are in a year? That's actually fairly easy. 1. How many half years are in a year? That's going to be 2. How many quarters in a year? 4 quarters in a year and 12 months in a year. So now we're going to do our future value computations. I'm going to write over here. FV is 100, 1 plus 0.24 to the power of 1, because it's 1 year. That gives me $124. For semi-annual, well, I take that $100 and it's 1 plus I. That's 1.12, but it's happening twice. When I compound it twice, I get $125.44. Your turn. Well, hopefully you paused it and came up with FB is 100, 1.06 to the power of 4, which is $126.25. And finally, $126.82, which is the same as 100, 1.02 to the power of 12. Look at these. One thing you should notice is that the future value is increasing. The more you compound, the bigger it gets. If you want to know the limit, the absolute biggest it can be, we'll talk about that a little bit later, but you can use your calculator to compute that fairly nicely. So, the more we compound, the more money we get up till a certain point. Compounding makes a huge difference. In our equation over here, we use I, not that nominal rate. We only use the 24% when we're talking about annual.